Alright guys, so this is a 2-minute tutorial. Now we are going to talk about drag and drop activity for your students. So if you would like to do it, this will be for you. Let's check it out. First of all, you need to sign in, and then after that, click on Make Interactive Worksheets and click on Get Started. And then here you need to upload your prepared worksheet. Okay, choose a file, whether it's PDF, JPEG or PNG. Okay, and then the size not more than 5 megabyte. Then upload the file. And then here, what you need to do, okay, you need to click on Edit here and bring your cursor and draw the rectangle to each of the answers. Okay, and then you type in for the answers here. You type in the box with the word drag colon number 1 as the answer for number 1, shoulders. So you look at the answer, the correct body part here, and you draw the rectangle inside the box for the answer and type in here drop colon number 1 as answer number 1, and you do the same to the rest of the answer. So once you have finished, then click on Save button here. And as usual, you want to share the worksheet, you click here. And as for this purpose, I'm going to keep it private. And you name it. Okay, name the activity. Save it. That's it. Finish creating it, and then let's try it out. Open the worksheet. So once you have finished, click on Finish button here, and then you check your answer, check my answer, and voila. So the green boxes here show it is the correct. The green boxes here show the correct answers. Isn't it fun? So that's it for this video. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.